Hey, it's that time of year where the Logan downtown sidewalk sale is coming up. It's July 11th through the 13th, and here at Anderson Seed & Garden we usually have some great sales and some clearance items out on our sidewalk out in front, but we'll also be doing our parking lot sale as well too. So we'll have plants and different insecticides, fertilizers, tools, home decor. We'll have all kinds of great things on sale here at Anderson Seed & Garden for the downtown sidewalk sale, July 11th through the 13th. Come in and see us. We'll have our misters going, so it'll be, even if it's hot outside, we'll have that cool mist coming down out in the greenhouses and even out in front of the store. So enjoy being here at Anderson's with all the plants, but we'll also have some great deals, some great specials going on for the sidewalk sale, July 11th through 13th. Hope to see you there.